Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video about Avalanche cryptocurrency. Let's discover what's happening. It has skyrocketed over the past hours and I wanted to share with you more information. Make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel as well. And by the way, for those of you that are interested in our one-on-one coaching program on becoming a trader, check out our page and schedule yourself a free conversation about our coaching and trading. I'm going to talk about it at the end of the video. Now, what's happening, guys, with Avalanche is something crazy. It is basically a cryptocurrency that in the past 24 hours has outperformed, outranked in an unbelievable way all the altcoins that are top performing in the market cap. We are 20% in the past 24 hours. We are 71% in the past 7 days. That's an average of 10% a day constant increase for the past week. This is huge, considering that Avalanche has $1.9 billion volume. If I am going to click on the volume and see the cryptocurrencies based on volume, we will be able to see BTC, Ethereum, Solana, and then Avalanche are the cryptocurrencies which are not fiat currencies or crypto fiats out there. So it's ranked number 4 volume-wise. This has exploded, folks. Let's find out more what has been going on and what is around the business, as well as why is it up to this increase in movement. Well, we got some great news. Rare JP Morgan embrace details. We have an announcement coming in, which is why Avalanche has been taking advantage and pumping in a crazy way, that the resurgence in Avalanche price follow a groundbreaking collaboration announcement between Onyx by JP Morgan and the Polo Global. So more details can be discovered in the social media pages of the project, but in a nutshell, the price action is behaving in the following way. We have been talking about our daily presentation, especially with the breakout correlated with the market and the ability for us to react extremely positively on the reversed golden pocket level at $16, $17. We were attracted like a magnet to that level. As soon as we broke out, established some liquidity, little shorters out there speculating the market downwards, we have retraced and took some day trading out. 20%, of course, it is a significant amount considering the fact that day trading is running with leverage or margin. So this is great at the end of the day, and the reaction, what has happened afterwards, is not only great, is unimaginable awesome. 42% out there in 4 days. For the current price, we went a little bit higher than that. We actually maxed out and pumped 48% in 2 days. 2 days are 48 hours, so you have 1% every single hour increase for the past 48 hours. This is how the Avalanche market has been going around. Now, what kind of things must be discussed here? Because a very important groundbreaking breakout lie, the article says, is the elimination of the supply zone along the way with a connection of a reversed Fibonacci, and that has been eliminated so far. I'm very curious how does the closing is going to be for this daily candlesticks on Avalanche. It's very important. If the whole candle will be denied and we're going to close very near to the starting point, to the opening point of the candle, or right below that and form a red candlestick, then we're going to be in trouble, because that shows major weakness, and these weaknesses are always traded by the day traders and speculators in the favor of a short-term indication. So the markets will start feeling and seeming selling pressure out there from that if it appears. However, the breakout we have right now is opening the doors for a discussion that is towards $30. That's the reality. The next target will be the major top located on the structure of the end of the crypto winter, which was basically the result after a pump of 120% during 54 days. We were actually having a very, very good time at that point. So right now, because you broke out of this major tops out here, you don't have anything that will block you in a major way and significant way comparable to what you were able to go through other than BTC and Ethereum momentum. So if BTC decides to crash, if Ethereum decides to crash because external news, then you're going to be stopped. But other than that, there is no reason right now to be stopped before $30 on the Avalanche. From here towards $30 in this rally that we're dealing with is actually a 27% difference. 27% difference, as you can see, is something achievable for this altcoin in a single day. I wouldn't be surprised to take 2 or 3 days for the market to take the price action towards that level. But at the same time, when we deal with a level that is filled up with major liquidity, because whatever happens above this top, above that one, these candlesticks that you have there are all market order candlesticks, and they have a lot of liquidity inside them. That liquidity is going to generate massive volatility. We need to make sure that people will not get scared about it and they're not going to dump their positions, due to the fact that volatility usually triggers emotional type of trading and people start acting with lack of rationality. So they no longer follow the plan and they fall into a direction where things are not becoming great at all. This is, guys, the current situation out there that we're dealing with. Major support from where the whole picture started, from where the whole movement started, pumping to the greatness, which is something that we're facing today. 169% in 28 days, less than a month. What better and what great numbers could you expect? Well, I'm telling you, $30 is right there. It is awaiting for us and we're looking forward to it. This major breakout of the supply zone and the reverse golden area is something extremely important. Along the way with the news and everything that contributes, it is just great, guys. So once again, for those of you that are interested in education, check out my one-on-one coaching page. Intensively on private, I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Feel free to schedule yourself a conversation on Calendly page. Link is in the description area and comments area. This conversation can be for free, where I can offer you consultation on the topic and explain how does it work. Along the way with our coaching movement, a complete done for you trading where you can basically participate. No upfront fees, only commission from the profits achieved. Everything is running automatically. That's pretty much all about today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Have a good time, folks, and we talk to you soon.